fun a Baltimore restaurant. Really go in and have a good old meal, and you know this because he got to get some more love energy food in his body, so he keeps spreading to you all. Now he have his friend that he picked up, but I don't know if she want to come on, but that's okay. But we gonna have a good time in Ohio, and you know what? Let's keep just having love, 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 and spread love, love, love all over the world, because that's what we need into this world today. And Baltimore is so beautiful, and I hope soon that I'll be coming to your city or town or country. Once again, do not allow any obstacle to come into your way to stop you from succeeding what God has planned for you today. If Mr. Happy can make it, I know you can. Until then, let's keep going to MrHappyOnline.com. Let's get our t-shirt, and soon you'll be able to get your book. Until then, ladies.